Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here. I hope you all had a great week. So the last menu I'm making for the remaining seasoned ground pork is pork spring rolls. And I have about just a little bowl of water, just enough to seal each spring rolls. Just separate them. So I usually do them slant this way, and then place about a teaspoon of your stuffing in. And then wrap them tightly, and before you finish it towards the end, dab a bit of water so your spring roll will be sealed. There you go, and repeat until the meat are done. So I made about 28 pieces of meat spring rolls for the remaining seasoned ground pork. So now we are going to deep fry them. My friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, drop a comment, and if you have not done already, please subscribe and turn the bell next to it. I hope to see you next Friday. Happy cooking, and I hope you all have a great week ahead. Bye for now.